Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to cut and trim our video. So basically what is the need to split and trim our videos? Because if any unwanted part is there in your video, let's say you have done a mistake while saying the script, then you can remove the unwanted part with the help of video editing. So open your Filmora software. Now I am going to import a video. Now let's drag it into the timeline. Now I am going to select the project setting as high. Here you see guys, here it is a audio track. If I hover on this line, then here a hand icon will be displayed. If I drag it up, then the volume will be becomes high. Guys, if you don't want the volume should be high, then you can keep it as normal only. So I am for explanation purpose, I am increasing the volume. Now guys, here you see, here it is a wave. So what is this wave? Wave means we started our video from this wave. So wherever the wave will be, your audio will be played from there. Hello everyone. See guys, if I keep this playhead here, here you see guys, this is the unwanted part. Let's say I want to remove this part. Then how can I do that? Now let's play the full video and watch the mistakes, and then after that we are going to edit those parts. Let's play it. Hello everyone. Today in this lecture we are going to learn. Hello everyone. First I have done a mistake. So I have taken a pause. So guys, firstly I have make my voice to normalize, and after that I have started the video. Now let's play it. Hello everyone. Today in this lecture I am going to explain you how to import your media files. Now guys, here I have said that let's open our Filmora software. So this software is taking too much time to open. So we can split this part also, and in the previous lecture I have showed you how to speed up and slow down our videos. So we can speed up this part and we can faster our video. So let's play from here. So guys, in the previous lecture I have showed you how you can create a new project. So you have to go to this, so you have to navigate, so you have to go to this create project, and you. So once again guys, I have done a mistake. Here you see, from here to here I have to remove this part also. You have to go to this, so you have to go to this create project and you have to select the aspect ratio. And for the YouTube videos we use this widescreen aspect ratio, and simply click on create a new project, and our project will be successfully created. So guys, after that I have closed the software and I have stopped the recording, and one more time I have to remove this part also. So I don't want this part to see my viewers what I am doing after that. So I can remove this part also. So guys, basically the first option is, here you see, if you go at the end of this video, here you see our cursor is became T. So we can trim this part from here. I will click on here. If I place this cursor at the left side, then our video is trimming. Here you see our video is trimmed. Let's make this window as fit, and here you see guys, if I want to remove from this part, from here I have to remove this. So from this side to this side I have to remove this part. So I can do one thing, so I can click the video where I have started recording. I can drag this right side. Guys, we have successfully removed the unwanted part from this option. The biggest drawback of this option is we can't edit this middle part. So guys, the second option is you can split your videos from the middle or anything. For example, you want to remove this part. So here you see, here it is a scissor option. If you click on it, then your video will be divided into two parts. And if you want to delete it, you can delete it here. So if you want to split it, you can split it like this. And you can remove the unwanted part. And if you want to split, if you don't want to split it from here, then here it is the one more option. From here you can split it, or you can simply press the keyboard shortcut as Control B. So you can remove from this option also. So guys, there is one more way to split all the things. Now guys, let's assume that I have know that how many parts I have to remove. So I can use this quick split mode. Here you see, here it is a quick split mode. Click on it and here you see a line will be coming. If I click on it, then our video will be splitted. Let's click on it. Here you see, our video is splitted. So wherever the audio is not there, we can split it like this here and here. And if you want to come out from this, then we can simply click on it here. Or if you want to use this quick split mode as, then you can press the keyboard shortcut as C. So guys, this way is also essential in our video editing. So I have showed you 3 ways to remove your unwanted part and how you can trim your videos. Let's undo all the things. And here you see, the first way is you can go at the end and here it is a option like T and you can place your cursor left side. If you want to remove this part, then you can place the cursor and you can drag it at this right side. And guys, one more thing, that if I here you see, here it is a auto ripple option. If this auto ripple is on, then your video will be placed automatically. For example, I am removing this part. Here you see, our video is automatically placing. So why is that? If I off this, here you see, if I remove this part, then a gap will be there. So it is because we have off the auto ripple. So make sure before editing your video, this auto ripple should be on. Or you can simply remove this part by pressing the keyboard button as a delete. You have to on this, and after editing you can do all the things, like I am removing this part and this part. So the videos will be automatically placed with the auto ripple option. Let's undo all the things. So guys, in this lecture I have showed you 3 ways. First way is you can trim at the last and you can place it like this. And guys, the second way is you can, where you have to remove your unwanted part and click on it and you can remove from this delete option. So the second way is this, and the last way is you can click on this quick split mode and you can remove here. Like this you can remove the unwanted part. So guys, in the resource area I have provided you a sample lecture. So your task is open your Filmora software. So import the video into the timeline. And guys, you have to remove the starting unwanted part and you have to remove the last ending point. And you have to remove the middle unwanted part and make the video super clean. So guys, hope you have got an idea how to trim your videos, how to split your videos. So you have got to know about 3 ways. So do that guys. That's it for this lecture and I will meet you in our next lecture.